today we're going to be making some spiced vinegar. All you're going to need is some white vinegar, coconut vinegar, salt and pepper. You got some chilies, some shallots, some garlic, and an empty bottle to put all the spices in. You can put ginger also, and maybe some onions, so whatever you like. All we did was we blanched all these spices for about less than a minute and cleared off some of the skin. And all you gotta do is put it in the bottle. Gonna seal this overnight, keep in the fridge, and you got spiced vinegar ready to go anytime.